Bonjour! This is the Ingles table, and today we're focused on French cuisine.
Well, kind of. We're making our slow cooker French dip sandwiches here at Unicoi Preserves, and we're excited to share this recipe with you today.
So let's get started with a crock pot family favorite. We've got this beautiful boneless chuck roast that Clark went and spoke to the butcher at Ingles.
Yeah, they cut this one for me. I told them I needed a bigger one than what was in the case, and they're always happy to do that, so don't be afraid to ask if you don't see what you want in the case. He cut me this beautiful chuck roast to order yesterday. We're gonna put this in our trusty crock pot. This is great to prepare the night before you go to bed and let it cook all night.
So that way you can dream of French dip sandwiches. Simple ingredients, all great. Lynn soy sauce, that's right.
I'm gonna throw in a fresh bay leaf. If you don't have fresh, you can certainly use dried, but Ingles has those in the produce section of the store as well.
I just added some rosemary. And do you have time for thyme today, Clark?
Got time for thyme.
All right, so we're gonna put some thyme in. And we've got some granulated garlic powder that we'll just sprinkle right in. Last but not least, beefy magic, it's a bouillon cube. Whoop, there we go.
No need to crush that up. It will dissolve as it cooks. And now she's just gonna put in water to almost cover this. We're gonna put the lid on, and it's gonna cook. Might take 10 or 12 hours until it gets tender. That looks good, Susan.
Okay, so what I'm going to do before you put the lid on is give a little stirry, stir. So there we go.
We've got another one that we cooked overnight. We're gonna take a break, come back, and show you what it looks like. We'll see you back in just a second.
That rosemary and that beef, Clark, what do you think?
I dreamt of that all night long. All right, so let's show them how we pull this out and shred it.
I'll do the honors.
All right, here comes the reveal. And this is probably gonna be almost fall apart, so I'm gonna go under it with a couple of fish spatulas here. Get this roast out.
Here, I'll help. Here you go.
Awesome.
Oh, that is just beautiful.
All right. So what we're gonna
here,
do,
I'll take those two.
we're gonna pull this apart with some porks. It doesn't take much effort. So tender. Then we're gonna put it back in the jus.
And the au jus.
And then we're gonna show you how to make the French dip sandwich. Okay, now we get to the fun part. We get to show you how to build the sandwich. We've got that shredded French dip roast sitting back in the au jus in the crock pot.
Ooh, it smells good.
And what we got here, Susan?
Well, this is Ingles Bakery baguettes, sticking with the French theme. And I'm gonna put on some Lynn provolone cheese.
And what we're gonna do is lay this meat on the bottom bun.
That looks great. I'll help you tidy up.
Thank you.
You put on and I'll tidy. How about that?
All right. And it's okay, you don't have to drain it all the way because you want the bun to absorb that wonderful jus.
I think that's good, Clark. You wanna put the top on or you want me to put it on?
All right, if you say so. I'll let you do it. Look at that. And there you have it, our French dip sandwich. Susie's gonna cut it. We're gonna show you how we plate it.
All right, so I made your half a little bit bigger.
I see that.
That's the man's
That's being
size.
generous. I appreciate that.
Thank you so much for joining us here at the Ingles table.
Make sure and explore the site for more great tips, tricks, and recipes.
Find us online at ingles-markets.com.
We'll see you next time.